Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you all know, it's Faithing Lifestyle Vlogger, and I am getting my hair done by Montessyempire. I went to Paris to visit my sister, and she took me to her hairdresser, and he did my hair. The hair was giving everything, and the hair was amazing. I got this hair color from Amazon online, and this hairstyle is actually a Fulani braid, and I thought his hand would be tied, but it's actually not tied, and he did this hair very well. Just in case you're in Paris and you're looking for where to make your hair, go to Montessyempire. You can check in Instagram. I will put it down below the link, and make sure you follow him and also go and subscribe to his YouTube channel. As you can see, he just finished doing my hair, and now we're going to tie it up and put it in the hot water and give it that French curls. Now the hair is tied up, we're going to dip this in hot water, blow dry it, and don't forget to do your edges because edges are life. If you're not doing your edges, I don't know what you are up to. And then the French coils are going to be out. The French coils came out really well. It was giving everything it's supposed to give, and I loved it. He really did a great job on this hair, and I was just loving this French coils. I don't know, just take a look at this. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.